Hi, I'm Derek, the Kingston Plumber. I'm here with Tom today. He's just had a plumbing issue regarding his washing machine. Tell us how it was.
Well, basically our washing machine was leaking all over the floor. We tried to fix it ourselves and couldn't, so we called out these guys and they came in and fixed it in half an hour.
Excellent. So you're happy with the service?
Very happy with the service,
Brilliant.
yeah.
And you think you'll call us again?
I would. As long as my washing machine doesn't break it, yeah, I will do if it does though.
Excellent. Alright, Tom, well, you heard that from Tom. I'm Derek, Kingston Plumber. So yeah, we'll see you on the next one.